child, the summer streets is hot with this Instagram monetization news. Let me tell it to you. Hey, what's up? My name is Erica Shea. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Today we're going to be talking about the summer updates with Instagram monetization. So let's get right on into it. So Instagram has come out and said that they're going to be spending $1 billion on creators. It's about time they put some respect on our name. Okay, but that $1 billion is going to be across Instagram and Facebook. So it's kind of like, but we'll take it. So what's it going to look like is they're calling it bonuses. So we've seen this in several different ways. So we know that live has already gotten bonuses. If you do so many lives consistently for a month, if you go live for like 15 minutes or longer, go live with somebody else, like you get paid extra for doing these things up to, I think it's $500. But now this summer, the girls are talking and Instagram said they're dropping Reels bonuses. What? My prediction is that Reels bonuses are going to go officially live when we celebrate that 1 year, so soon, because it's going to be in the beginning of August, of Reels being live in the US. I want to say everywhere, but let's be real. Reels ain't live everywhere. Shoot, some people in the US still ain't even got Reels, but that's a whole different story. But I think that that's when Reels bonuses are going to go officially, like a lot of people are going to have them. So let's talk a little bit about Reels bonuses. So it seems like you're going to be able to earn up to $500 when you get so many views on your Reels. From what it looks like, the threshold is going to be from like 100 to 200K, which is a lot of views. And it's not that fair to small creators, but I'm not going to get my panties in a bunch for this one. But it seems like this is going to be a summer bonus challenge or whatever. It's going to be able to put money in creators' pockets. I just hope that it's not all super large creators, and I hope that they do make the official requirements a little easier in a way to bring in emerging talent or smaller content creators that have under 10K or even that have under 20K. I think that it's very important, and I think that Instagram misses the ball because they tend to forget about those creators a lot when they come up with these things and they say that they're creator friendly and they're spending all this money on creators. It's usually to your larger accounts. We've seen a lot of smaller accounts grow from Reels. I'm hoping that they target some of their bonuses towards smaller accounts. So live bonuses are going to be rolling out to more countries, because I know that that's one of those things where Instagram will roll out a monetization feature, but then it's only available in like 3 places. But also IGTV Ads bonuses are going to be rolling out. So now we're going to see more development and more push on those IGTV ads and getting people to sign up for IGTV ads. So that should be really exciting, and that should make good news. If you haven't, check out my video above all about IGTV ads. I have a couple. So Instagram has already said working in these new programs will be invite only, which
if you want to fight, just say that.
But Instagram has said that this will be an invite-only program. So we already know what that means. Cross your fingers and pray. But it's supposed to be easy peasy from there, I guess. They said that it's going to be easy to sign up, easy to understand, and honestly, it's supposed to be easy to reach those goals. Like, they're not going to be unrealistic, which we have seen in the past where Instagram can kind of ask for things that are not realistic for all creators, especially smaller creators. So hopefully Instagram actually invites a lot more smaller creators into these test groups. And because the Reels bonus program is only going to be US based to start out with, I think it should be easy to find a wide range of creators. And I think that will also give a lot of information on why people use Reels, why people don't use Reels, and why, like, how people create for Reels content. Because right now you are still seeing a lot of recycled content on Reels, and Instagram wants to move away from that. However, you're not making it profitable for everyone to want to create genuine content just for Instagram. I hope that makes sense. Also, I want to do an honorable mention. If you have any form of like gaming channel or whatever, Facebook is working on a stars challenge where if you have some form of gaming channel or whatever over there and post gaming videos, you can make money like that. So definitely check that out. Let me know down below if that's something that y'all are interested in. I usually talk about Instagram or whatever, but I'm all about getting creators their worth, so I can do some more research on that. But I just know that 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 was something that stood out to me, and I was like, I'll mention that. That's it. There's some exciting things coming your way for Reels, coming for Lives, and coming for IGTV ads. Monetization is spicing up. It's getting heavy in these streets, and Instagram is really showing all gas, no brakes right now when it comes to paying their creators, because I think that they're realizing that creators run that platform and they need to start pushing something to them so that they can continue to have that usage. So if you have any questions, make sure you comment down below and I will get back to you. Tell me your opinions on how you feel about this whole new Instagram monetization wave and them pushing out all these bonuses or whatever. And how do you feel about a creator your size? Are you a small creator? So do you think Instagram's for you or against you? Let me know down in the comments below and let's have that conversation. I'm very interested to hear y'all's thoughts. But make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. It really does help me out with the algorithm here on YouTube. Before you go, make sure you check out these videos here. YouTube recommends them for you and I do too. But I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Thumbnail.
Ooh, my nails are money green. I feel like should we just go to the bodega? Go to the bodega. What's Tia? Girl, take this thumbnail.